In order to get a better understanding of how ride-on works, it is important to see how the product looks on the inside of a tire. In this case, we are opening a tire of a Ducati Monster 1100S. The product was installed on the tire over a year prior. One of the ways Ride-On separates itself from its competitors is that it does not create a mess on the inside of the tire, nor does it create a mess when you're changing a tire. Notice how evenly the product is distributed and that it remains in a gel form. This allows the product to continually hydrodynamically balance the wheel as the tread wears. The fluidity of the product also provides the necessary viscosity to seal punctures in the crown of the tire.